Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Right, okay, as you all know that we have started our revision. So today's topic for revision is even and odd numbers. So I'm going to talk about even and odd. As we start with the 0, it's an even, alright. Odd number is 1, followed by even number 2. 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 6 is even, 7 is odd, 8 is even, 9 is odd, and 10 is even. Alright, I want you to focus here is even though this is a double number and on your left hand side you have a number 1 which is an odd number. You will say, this teacher, you have 1 here which is the odd number. So when there are double numbers, okay, we always say, for example, 32 and 23. What we look at to decide whether it's an even or odd number is we look at their ones place. The number which is at the ones place will decide whether the full number, the entire number is even or odd. Okay, say for example 2. Though it is having 3 at tens place, which is an odd number, this whole number is considered as even number. Why? Why is it an even number? Because 32 can be equally divided among children, whereas the odd numbers cannot be equally divided. Say for example, you have 2 people, okay, and say you have 3 sweets, alright. So what happens is, can you equally give 3 sweets to 2 people? Say for example, now I'm going to draw here 1 sweet, Anna gets, alright, and 1 sweet Jane gets. Alright, so out of 3 sweets, we have given out 1 sweet to each of them. Now we are left with 1. So this 1 sweet goes to whom? Anna or Jane? So as I told you earlier, that odd numbers cannot be equally shared. That's why they are odd. So the numbers which are ending with odd numbers are the whole number is a odd number. Say 23. Though it is starting with 20 in tens place, you have 2. But the numbers even on odd is decided by the number which is on the ones place. So if I say 100, in hundreds place, in the last in ones place, you have 0. Okay, and 0 is a even number. So number 100 is a even number because this will be equally divided and shared among people. It can be equally divided. So this is what I wanted to clarify today with you all, that even and odd numbers are easy to differentiate. You can easily make out which is the even number and which is the odd number. So in today's worksheet, I have asked you to fill in all even numbers in a table and odd numbers in the table of odd numbers. So you have to later fill it up, later print it out, or you can even write in your exercise book. So if you don't have a printer, use a exercise book to write. Okay, so you have to start your revision in exercise book 2, which I have already yesterday asked you to print out and paste. Okay, the next topic I wanted to share was shapes. So today for shapes, you will be drawing shapes as well as you will be identifying the names of the shapes. So I would like you to follow the worksheets which I have given you. Alright, so I'm sure you all know the shapes, the sides and the corners. They are very easy, they are very simple. So the basic 4 shapes which we have learned is square and a rectangle. More than that, triangle, square, triangle, circle, square and rectangle. Other than this, you have learned more about shapes, which is the pentagon, hexagon, octagon, yeah. So nanogon, you have already learned all that, yeah. So I would just want you to do the revision on shapes and even in odd numbers. And please do your work neatly, draw the shapes neatly, especially use ruler to draw triangle, square and a rectangle. For a circle you don't need a ruler, but you can use coin, or you can use a container or a cup, anything which has a proper round circle shape. Okay, and if I'm not wrong, I've asked you to even draw an oval. So let's see how your drawing and your work is. Okay, have a good weekend. See you all next week.